chance. I'm blessed with another chance. I am.
Welcome back to the channel, you guys. So today we have a lot to do. My house is in an uproar. Let me tell you why. You know when they say, oh, when the baby goes down and sleep, I've been trying to take more naps while she's down because I've been super exhausted. Like, I have been so tired. So like, if it's a dish in the sink or if a bottle is dirty, it's like, oh, I'll come back to it. And now here we are. The whole house is just a mess. I'm trying to have grace on myself. I am a mother and I cannot blame it on her because she's still little. When we have to run outside, when we gotta go to appointments, I'm going through clothes, I'm throwing clothes everywhere, I'm just not putting it back. I'm cooking and all of this stuff. It's just a lot, okay? Today is January 31st. I refuse to go into a new month with my house looking like this. I'm gonna let mommy clean. No, yeah, I heard the laugh. She said, please.
Another breath and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight.
Today is February 1st. Congratulations, you made it another day. You made it another month. Love that for you. I love to look at a new month as a reset, especially when it falls on a Sunday. I just feel like that's so perfect. It's the start of the week. So whatever it is that you didn't do in January, whatever it is that you didn't do yesterday, today is the perfect day to start over. Whatever goals that you had, put it in your mind. Today is the day to do it. No longer procrastinating. So today we have quite a few things to do. We are going food shopping. We are trying something new. So usually we do monthly food shopping, but me and my husband talked it out and we're gonna do weekly food shopping. So we're gonna set a budget and we're gonna do weekly food shopping and see how that works for us, specifically because we do tend to go monthly food shopping, and then sometimes we have this habit of whatever it is that we don't want to eat in the fridge anymore, we end up ordering out, or we end up going to the store and getting something else with whatever that we're craving at the moment. So just so that food doesn't go to waste, we're gonna do it weekly, and it's gonna also help us with meal prepping and really staying on track with that, which is something that I definitely need to do. So hopefully this works out. So being that we are doing weekly, we usually go to BJ's for our big bulk monthly shopping, but today we are going to Aldi and we are going to Walmart. I'm gonna see how this works out. I feel like it is, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me right now, drinking my tea. I'm trying to start off this new month doing things that is great for my health internally so that it can exude externally, which is waking up, drinking a tea or drinking some warm lemon water. I'm going to start adding apple cider vinegar, even though I hate it and it smells like feet. But I'm going to start adding it because it's definitely great for digestion, and I just want to overall just start making healthier choices. I'm no longer going to say fitness journey. I'm on a health and wellness journey. So losing the weight is obviously a plus, but I need to just naturally, internally feel better. And this is also my birthday month. I will be 29 years old this month. February 27th, I will be 29. Where's time going? Because it's clearly running away from me. Like, I was just 18. Now I'm gonna be 29 and I have a child. Yeah, so I'm just gonna stop rambling and gonna get back to you guys when we are about to leave. Hoping your last secret, spit it out your mouth and inhale, exhale, breathe in. With Okay, you guys, so we are back from Walmart and Aldi. So I'm gonna briefly show you guys what we got. I'm gonna start with Aldi first. Mixed peppers, bacon, green beans, spinach, spring mix, a pack of drumsticks, chicken thighs, mandarins, lemon, red apples, sweet potatoes, onions, ground beef, 2 packs, some honey, strawberries, sliced mangoes, blueberry bread, some bagel thins or skinny bagels, and some beef broth and some chicken broth. Also got some muffins, so my husband, he got some snacks for him for work as well. But it all came up to $98. For Walmart, got some heavy cream, cucumber, mozzarella cheese, turkey bacon, stewed meat, turkey sausage, I love these, some bananas, some yogurt. Need to make sure I definitely eat this. We're all gonna eat this, but some vanilla yogurt, sea salt, mayonnaise, precog butter, granola for the yogurt, garlic, seasoned salt, rice, sazon, and some Cheez-Its. For Walmart, spent a total of $166. So went a little over the budget, but trial and error. This is our first time trying the weekly, you know, meal prepping. So y'all are gonna see what I'm meal prepping. I'm meal prepping breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So y'all are gonna see that because I'm really trying to stay on track and really trying to get my mental together. And so being that we did go a little bit over budget, the goal is to make sure that all of this is gone before we go shopping again. So, and I definitely think we have enough meats and everything to do that and like switch it up here and there and stuff. So right now I'm really hungry. So I already had prepped shredded chicken. I'm gonna be prepping my chicken salad, and I'm very minimal, so y'all gonna see what I put in it. I'm gonna put some garlic, mayonnaise, some salt, some shredded cheese, using some bread and butter pickles, and some onion powder as well. So a little funny story, my husband thinks I'm absolutely crazy because he's like, you're adding pickles and why don't you just add relish? Now mind y'all, in my brain, they're two different things. Even though they're the same, it's the same thing, but I just felt like mentally I had to add pickles. And then come to find out, I ended up adding relish as well. But I don't know, y'all, I'm just really funny with certain things. Like I know a cucumber and a pickle is the same. It's just the pickle goes through a whole different process. I'm literally crazy. So I literally sat and chopped the pickles, and then I ended up adding a little bit of sweet. Okay, you guys, so we are finished with it, and I'm gonna pair it with the crackers. So good. Okay, so lunch prep was really easy because I already had the shredded chicken, like I said before. So you guys seen what I added into it, so that's away in the refrigerator. Now I'm gonna start working on the dinners and then work my way up to the breakfast because the breakfast is more easy to do. On the menu for the dinner meal prep, we have the sweet potato burger bowl or taco bowl. I've been seeing that all over TikTok and I literally have to try it. It looks so good. So we're gonna do the sweet potato bowls, lemon garlic chicken with pasta, and then stewed chicken with rice and green beans. I have the water boiling for the sweet potatoes already. I will be putting it in the oven, but I'm gonna peel it, and I don't want it to take super long to bake, so I'm gonna let it boil over the stove for a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven.
I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If I had a boy's tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If I moved to a green tattoo, I would think it's my affection. In this cold season, close enough. Who could tell every time we touch, every time we wish I could feel me, cute apartment. One bedroom, right where your heart is. In space, feels broken hearted. Cross the battlefield, way too far in. I know when they see just one, do they see us too?
Alright, you guys, so I am officially done meal prepping for the day. It is actually 9:05. I'm so tired. So the fact that we went food shopping and I spent the whole day meal prepping, I'm literally exhausted. But I'm about to show you guys what we prepped for the week, the finished product. I'll be eating this with some club crackers. This will be for lunch. This is so good. It's so hard for me to not eat it, but I'm gonna remember proportion size. This is actually what we had for dinner tonight. This is the sweet potato with the ground beef. This is the sweet potato bowl. So we ate some already today, so this is the rest is for tomorrow. All the extra stuff could be added, like the cheese and everything, but it was so good. So 10 out of 10, whoever came up with the idea, amazing. This is my breakfast sandwiches. So I have the bagel thins, like you guys seen. The B is for the bacon and the S is for sausage. So I did the bacon and egg on a bagel, and in the morning I'm going to add the cheese. Another dinner is some stewed chicken with like the peppers and stuff, and then they have some white rice, some lemon garlic chicken pasta that I came up with. I don't know, but yeah, it's so good. I taste everything. And I just had 2 things of greens on the side just to make sure that I'm getting my veggies in. I made these 2 smoothies. It has the mango, strawberry, and banana in it. It was actually for my daughter because she likes the smoothies. I filled up hers, but then it was a lot extra, so I just made 2. Here we have the 2 jugs of the lemon, cucumber, and ginger water. So if you don't know about that, I suggest you do it. It's definitely like a cleanse. I've started it. I did it like, I want to say 2019, where I really discovered it, and I used to drink it like really heavy, and then I put my husband onto it, and then he loves it too. So trying to get back into that, like I said, trying to get this health kick going on. But yeah, that is all that I have prepped for this week. Also, if I want some snacks, I'm gonna snack on the yogurt. I'm gonna force myself to eat the yogurt. Actually, let me show you. So this is what I'm going to eat as a snack, okay? And so I'm trying to force myself to eat yogurt. Yogurt is good for you. This has 17 grams of protein, and I'm trying to up my protein intake. So I'm gonna force myself to eat this whenever I feel like a sweet tooth, whenever I feel like I want to nibble and I'm not ready for a full-on meal yet. So yeah, I'm trying to stay on track. I'm trying to do better. And yeah, so with that being said, make sure that you guys like, subscribe, comment, and share. Also, if you are a meal prepper or if you're just a cooker, comment some meal ideas, because I want to try new things, especially like starting next week, being I told y'all we're trying to do new foods every week. Well, shop every week, so I want to see what y'all be cooking in y'all house. So yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, share. Follow me on my other socials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.